Tesla shares are up by about 2% in the after-hour session. Let's go back to Gene Munster, Fast Money friend, founder of Loop Ventures, for an update on the call. We're 9 minutes in. Gene, anything earth-shattering?
What's not earth-shattering is the call started late. True to form, Elon, he makes us all wait. So we're a full 60 seconds into the call. I have, by the way, queued in for a question, and I'm changing my question. I'm going to ask what the impact of a $25,000 vehicle, they've talked about this Model 2. We don't know what the timing on it is, what impact that would be. So I'm anxiously awaiting for an entertaining Tesla call.
$25,000 Model 2. What could the margins be on a $25,000 car?
Probably not very high, but if we kind of rewind back to our conversation with Tim and the team earlier, this idea of really having a mainstream vehicle is critical. And so I think that they need to feather in some of these higher margin products. We talked about FSD and the subscription service. That's extremely high margin. So to answer your question, is that a $25,000 vehicle with FSD can, from other products, can create, I think, these higher margins. I don't know if they'll hit that tech-like hurdle, that mystical kind of 40% gross margin vertical. So the big picture is this, is there's a lot of talk of competition, and eventually Tesla's going to have a $25,000 vehicle that compares to kind of their starting point right now at about $35,000.
Right. All right, Gene, I guess we're about, what, like 120 seconds into the call now. Thank you.
We are, yeah.
Flag us if there are any big headlines. Tesla's up 2%. $25,000 car, that's kind of interesting if we think about a move potentially into fleet vehicles, Dan.
Yeah, we were talking in the break. I mean, that was the kind of the rage. That was, I think, one of the main impetuses for autonomy. And we know that the fleets, whether it be ride hail or whatever, want to get there. But I think Tim said something interesting. He's like, yeah, maybe we get there. I think, like in 10 years, who knows? I mean, like, I think those timetables keep getting pushed out. And I'm not sure exactly you want to pin your hopes at this valuation, at this market cap on that. And to your point, 25,000.
Well, they've had trouble with the Model 3 getting to those numbers, and yet when that car was announced, that's what it was supposed to be. All right, so they were going after the mass market, and it's just, unfortunately, it's not there. So we'll see.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.